that's with the sunshades on. Look. It's not centered, so it's not the lens of the camera. As you see, I'm moving it left to right. So it would appear something is being swallowed up, or I don't know. Looks like a planet might have gotten too close. It's getting swallowed up, and that's why the sun is getting really hot. I don't know. Or it could be that fake sun everyone's talking about. I don't know. Let me zoom in. There you go, right there. I don't know. It looks a little too crazy to me. I don't know if it's closer or farther. That's the farthest I could go. Doing too much garden work, so my hands are jittery. I don't know what it is. Y'all tell me, but it don't look normal. This is what my sunshades over for gardening, you know. Some shades do good. And that's how I noticed it, honestly. I'm always looking up there, dimming a little bit because of the cloud. Alright. I don't know, look up. Funny thing is, why is no one else talking about it? Why is no one else looking up? I'm quite sure there's scientists and stuff who's got telescopes and stuff who can see this better with better optical zoom, so better filters appropriated for the sun's rays. Why is it that my average Joe ass is looking at it and can see it and found it, and no one else has? And if they're not talking about it and it's so blatant, then what are they hiding?